Hello! So as you can see, I'm going to be unboxing Super Junior's original soundtrack of Attack of the Pin-Up Boys. This is how the front looks like. The back, full track list, spine, CD first right here. And the Photobook. So it comes with a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna take that later. So front and some awesome pictures. I really like these. Oh, you must look so odd in that haircut or hairstyle, yeah. Keep them. Oh. Gosh, beyond adorable. And of course I'm going get some details. Last pages and the credits. They're really nice. And then it comes with, let's see here, some sort of ad. Yep. And another ad for SM Academy. And then this one for UFO Town. Yeah. The comic on the back. It's almost like a collection card. I'm not entirely sure. It's so cool. So yeah, that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!